Today we are going to talk about these tower toys, Wrecking Ball and Jenga toy. They have similar concept, but Wrecking Ball has different features. As you can see, it has different size and different shape of wood pieces, and you have 20 pieces. You can play with 4 people, and you can distribute each pieces. Everybody takes their turn and pick up to 5 pieces, and you can see they are in different size. So the way it works, it doesn't have any rule to just place in certain way. Whoever turn is can place their wood piece the way they wish to. So that is really interesting. If you want to make the game difficult for the other player, you can just make it really interesting. You can see if it's your turn, you can place it like that, like this. So it will be difficult for other players. Also for you it can be difficult as well. You can see you can place like this or that way. So whichever angle you like to place, you can do so. So that is the option. When you consider the Jenga, you have 54 pieces and they are all fixed size, and the only rule, you have to pick the, the piece, and you cannot just place on any other direction. So it has to follow the same direction. So let's say if you are playing, you are only allowed to place it in certain way. On this row you cannot place it just like this and that. So that is the difference. So it makes the racking ball game a little bit interesting and more challenging if you want to make the game a little bit challenging. So the way it works, also the racking ball comes with these playing cards. Whoever his turn is supposed to pick a card, and the card has different options. Let's say if the player picks up this, they have to put 3 blocks on their turn, rather than with Jenga you just take one piece and place it. So that is the difference. And the way the rule is, whoever, for example, on the racking ball game, uh, beginning of the game, everybody start with a certain set of wood block, and the goal is put the blocks before anybody else. So if I was playing and I am just taking my turn and I put all my blocks on the tower, I am the winner. I will just win the game, and the rest of the people will can continue until somebody just stay there and pick up all the blocks. And with the Jenga, the purpose, as you know, you just pick up all the blocks until there is nothing else left. So with the racking ball, it has interesting concept. As the name suggests, over here you have this racking ball, and let's say you place bunch of wood, and somebody else's turn, and somebody picked the wrecking ball card. So let's find out that. So not that, not this. So let's say I picked up the wrecking ball. In this case, I will just pick the ball 90-degree angle and smash it. If something falls, I have to pick up the wood and add it to my pile. So that is really interesting. So next turn, let's say somebody else just build up and pick up the same card again, and they just rack it, and let's say 2 pieces fall, you just have to add those in your pile. So that is the main difference. It just makes a little bit challenger, and you have more strategy you can build rather than Jenga. It just balance. You just continuously pick up the pieces until there is nothing else left, and you will see who is going to be able to pick up the last piece and place it without dropping. So overall, these are really nice, fun toy. Wrecking Ball has different concept, has bunch of other options. So I just want to mention, so you can see you have another card here which is -1, and you have the same -2, -3. So if it was my turn and I pick up -1 card, I have to take one from the tower and add it to my pile. So it makes the game really like interesting, and just changes the way the game projection. So I might be able to play, and I might have only one wood piece left. But if I pick up -3 card, in that case the game can turn uh, and change the outcome. So really nice, very interesting game. So I hope you guys find this useful.